Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video, I'll be showing you a 3-in-1 summer jewelry, 4-strand bracelets, 3-strand ankle bracelets, and 1-strand waist beads. All in one. You only need to make one for each piece, and you can like switch it up as please because it's on stretch string. So this is one that I just finished making. And here's one that I'm working on. So I figure I'll show you guys how to do it. You'll need some stretchy string, tape measure to measure your waist. And what you want to do is grab your tape measure, measure your waist. Mine is 28 inches. So you fold that in half and you take your string and you measure it twice. So that'll give you 28 inches. And then I just snipped off maybe like an extra inch just so I have enough to tie it. And you just start beading. So I'm just going to show you how you do it. You can put an accent bead in the middle if that's what you want to do. You want to put that one on first. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'm putting one bead in the middle. And then I'm going to start stringing on my seed beads. You can use any type of beads you want. This is like all your design. Just let your creativity just run wild. Yeah, just do what you like. And that's one thing I like about making your own jewelry, because you really get to create what you want. And you really have to go looking for it. So you just do that until you fill up both sides with beads, and then it'll look like this. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to tie it. So you just tie it almost like if you were making a knot. And then you're going to do it again. I had to get the bead out the way. Once you get the bead out the way, you're going to do it again to make a knot. Okay. And once you get the bead out the way again, then you're going to pull it. Yeah. So now you're going to pull it. Make sure you pull it really nice and tight. This stuff stretches, so it shouldn't pop on you. It's really stretchy. Give it a nice good tug, and then we're going to lock it. So you're going to make another knot, and then you're going to take that same string and go back under that loop, and then you're going to pull. Then you're going to take your string on your right side and do the same thing. Go under, take it back under again. I think I took it. Yeah, take it back under twice. You could do 3 times too, and pull again. And then make sure it's nice and secure. You can get some crazy glue or like nail glue to seal the ends after you cut them, but you don't have to. And that's it. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to put the waist beads on. All you do is just step into them. It's really simple. And just pull them over your hips and onto your waist. And that's it. I mean, you can wear them over top of your clothes if you make them bigger. I would suggest making them bigger so they can hang if you want to wear them over top of your clothes. And you just pull them off, and it's really simple. And great for the summer. And here are the ankle bracelets. And here they are as bracelets. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you comment and share this video. To my next video. Bye, guys.